everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen.
Friends, today we are going to see how to make aloo ki sabzi or potato curry that we make for kachoris and pooris. We have already shown you a recipe of South Indian poori ki sabzi for poori. This is a very delicious recipe and we have given you the list of ingredients in the description box below. Check it out. And now we have taken a mortar and pestle and we are adding 1 teaspoon coriander seeds or sabut dhania, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds or saunf, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or zira, and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds or methi ka dana. We are going to make a coarse powder. This powder is the backbone of our sabzi. It adds an awesome aroma. Now let's keep this aside and mix some spice powders. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, 1 teaspoon red chili powder or lal mirch powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder or dhania powder. Just add a little bit of water and make a coarse paste. And now we are going to add the ground spice mix to this mix. We are adding in batches. Add some more water, mix it. And now I have taken 400 grams of 4 big tomatoes. Taking tomatoes is optional and grating them is also optional. You can blend them if you don't wish to grate. And here I have taken 1 kilo potatoes which is boiled and mashed. And now let us heat 4 tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, in go the zira or cumin seeds. We are not going to brown the zira. When it just heats up a bit, I am adding the mixed spices paste that we had made and give it a stir for about 1.5 minutes on a very low flame. And now I am adding the tomatoes that I had grated. Give it a mix until the moisture is gone from the tomatoes. And now I am adding 2 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder. This gives the khatas or sourness. And 1 teaspoon dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. 2 green chilies, hari mirch, finely chopped. Salt as per taste, namak. And here I am adding 1 teaspoon sugar or shakkar. Adding sugar is optional, but it balances the taste. Add a little bit of water so that the spices don't get burnt. Just give it a quick mix. Now I am adding the potatoes. 1 kilo potatoes or aloo. Boiled, peeled and broken with my hands. Give it a quick mix. Actually at this stage, if you want a sukha sabzi or dry vegetable, you can serve it at this stage after stirring. But because we want a gravy, I am adding 3 cups of water. But remember, this mixture thickens afterwards after it cools down, so add water accordingly. Now we have to just give it a recipe a try. To a boil. It has come to a boil, we switched off the flame. And now let us serve it and show it. What an awesome aroma. Serve it with pooris or kachori and enjoy it.
Friends, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. Comment and let us know how we did and share our videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching Desilicious Kitchen. See you soon with another video. Bye for now. Take care.